Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Ain Shirah binti Jamil, leader of Group 7 SBF. Today I'm excited to present my interactive website called Nutrient Degradation in Storage. This website shows how nutrients in food like vitamins slowly break down during storage and how we can use math, especially differentiation, to understand this process better. So let's go through the website together. The problem nutrient loss in store food, because we store food when we store food, especially fruit and vegetables, nutrients like vitamin C slowly degrade over time. For example, vitamin C in orange can drop quickly if stored too long or in the wrong conditions, like at higher temperatures. This nutrient loss is important because it affects the quality and nutritional value of the food we eat. So we want to create a website that helps explain why nutrients degrade and how math can help us model and predict this. So in the math model section, we use this formula. This equation tells us the amount of nutrient. So when we differentiate this equation, we get this. Okay, this shows how fast the nutrient decrease over time. Differentiation helps us find the rate of change and is very useful in food science. To make this easier to understand, we added an animation created using deepseek.com, a video explanation made with AI.invideo.io, and even a podcast recorded using notebooklm.google.com, where I talk about why this topic matters for students. Interactive features on the website. I also included interactive tools to make learning fun. Graphs that show how nutrients decrease over time for different foods. A quiz to test what you learn. A simulation where you can see how storage time and temperature affect nutrient loss, plus some fun facts and colorful visuals to make everything more interesting. So why this matter? For college students like us, knowing about nutrient degradation can help us make better choice when storing food. My website shows how math is useful in real life and how it connects with science and health. I hope it helps students understand the power of math and why proper food storage matters. So, to sum up my website, nutrient degradation in storage explain how nutrient degrades over time, how differentiation help model this, and how we can use this knowledge in everyday life. So that's the end of my part. Now let's continue with the next section of our presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Putri Wafadayana binti Zainal Arifin, and today I will present my interactive website. The title is Differentiation in Food Security. This website was developed to help university students to understand the issue of nutrient decomposition and how differentiated learning methods can make the topic easier. So let's begin with the homepage. Here I introduce the main problem. The main problem is food safety affected by nutrient decomposition. So many students like us store food in fridge or at room temperature for long periods. What we may not realize is that nutrients break down over time depending on temperature, moisture and bacteria. So, so this issue not only affect with our health but also increases for food waste. So next, so this part is my favorite. the interaction simulation. As you can see, users can change the storage temperature and see how it affects the nutrient level over time. For the example, if I set the temperature to 35, the graph shows the nutrients breakdown much faster. So this hands-on tool helps kinesthetic learners understand the concept through the exploration. So now, let's scroll the nutrient decomposition. Here I use the simple diagrams and short explanation to help students understand what decomposition means, how it happens, and why it's matter. The content is broken into short chunks, so it's easier for different learners to digest. And here we have a mathematical model. Now let me explain the mathematical model used to represent nutrient degradation. This model follows first order kinetics, which means that the rate of nutrients loss depends on the amount of nutrient present at the time. So the different equation is dn over dt equals minus kn. So here, n is the nutrient concentration, t is time, and k is degradation rate constant. Depends on storage conditions. So n of t equals n times e to the power of negative kt. Here we have n and t represent the amount of nutrient remaining at the time t, and now is the initial nutrient amount, and e to the power of negative k. T shows how quickly the nutrient decreases over the time. Okay, so we move to the next part. Before I continue, here I have 2 YouTube videos. I make it by AI. Just like in the video, I will now demonstrate my interactive website live and explain how each part helps students understand the topic better. So let me show the YouTube first. But I think my internet is problem, so I cannot show the YouTube video. Now we move to the quiz. So below that.
Hey there, college crew. Have you ever wondered?
So below that we have a quiz. It includes multiple choice question to test your understanding of decomposition and food safety. Students get immediate feedback, which makes the learning experience more engaging. This is especially helpful for revisions and reinforcement. So I answer the question first. So we submit the answer. So this website uses the differentiation model for visual learners. I include the graph and visual for audio learners. I have short explanation clips. For hands-on learner, I create the simulation and quizzes. This ensures all types of learners can benefit from the same content. In conclusion, this website help university students become more aware of food safety in their daily life. It promotes self-paced learning, encourage critical thinking, and supports better food handling decision. So thank you for your attention. I hope this website can benefit others just as it helped me understand food safety in a deeper way. I'm ready for okay. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Hi, everyone. So today I'm Nur Amir Akila binti Muhammad Zahir. So today I will be presenting my website titled Nutrient Degradation During Storage. This site is focused on how nutrients in our food can decrease over time if storage isn't done properly. So this is my animation for calculus of nutrient degradation in food storage. So we choose for degradation model. So I just change my this one and calculate nutrient loss. So the graph will be changed. So the next one is so this is my video for cracking calculus differentiation in ingredient in food security. So just click on my YouTube's. Okay. So next is the podcast of calculus in food preservation in food security. So the final one is this is my all my quiz. So let me answer the answer first. So we can check the answer. Okay, so the conclusion is we can understanding nutrient degradation is useful not just for food scientists but for everyday peoples. So it helps us reduce waste, heal HCl, and store food more safely. That's the main message of my website. So thank you for listening. If you like to visit the site, I will share the website link. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Iman bin Muhammad Noor. Today I would like to present a website that I create. So the title this website is Nutrient Degradation in Storage. So the home page is about calculus of nutrient degradation in food storage. So I choose the graphic views. So for example, so after that, we update the graph and the graph have difference. So we move the next chapter. So I also include the two video that I create with AI. The first video is about to cracking the code made for security, and the second video is about a podcast. So these two video help explain the concept more deeply and show how to solve the differentiation problem step by step. And the last one is the quiz section. This is an interactive section where students can test their understanding through objective question. It is a great way to practice reinforced learning and identify areas that need improvement. For example, I randomly choose the answer. then submit the answer. So they show the correct answer after that. So I hope this website will be helpful resources for students who are learning differentiation. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.
Meanwhile,
So the best website we choose is
I know
Ishira.
Ishira.
okay. So my website that they choose best. So thank you. So as the leader of Group 7, SBF, I like to thank my team members for their amazing work and support. And thank you for listening to our presentation. Please visit our website to explore the interactive features, try the quiz, and learn more about nutrient degradation in food storage. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.